नमस्कार. मी संजय ठाकरे, गणित शिक्षक, जनता विद्यालय धाबा, कोंडाया महाराज, तालुका गोंडपिंपरी, जिल्हा चंद्रपूर. In mathematics second means geometry, fifth chapter is coordinate geometry. So practice set 5.2 and question number 7. Find the centroids of the triangles whose vertices are given below. Number first, -7, 6, 2, -2, 8, 5 are x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 say. Then by centroid formula we know the centroid formula. Now here x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. This is the coordinates of centroid, means G. Means G is equal to this. Now putting the values we get, and hence x is equal to, now x is equal to, putting the values of x1 plus x2 plus x3. Now here x1 is -7, then plus x2 means 2, then plus x3 means 8 divided by 3, which is equal to 8 plus 2 means 10, 10 minus 7 means 3 upon 3, which is equal to 1. And y is equal to, y1 means 6 plus y2 is -2, then plus y3 means 5 divided by 3, which is equal to 6 minus 2 means 4, 4 plus 5 means 9 by 3, which is equal to 3. And hence we can write the coordinates of centroid is equal to, x coordinate means 1, y coordinate is 3. This is the answer. Then second, 3 minus 5, 4, 3, 11 minus 4. Suppose this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2, and this is x3, y3 say. Now we have to find the G, means x, y is equal to question mark. Now we know the formula by centroid formula. Now centroid formula या ठिकाणी यूज करायचा आहे. Hence x is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3, which is equal to, now we know the formula G means x comma y is equal to, या ठिकाणी फॉर्म्युला पण मी लिहून घेतो, x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 2. Now x is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3, which is equal to, now putting the values here, 3 plus 4 plus 11 divided by 3, which is equal to 18 divided by 3, which is equal to 6. And y is equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3 means which is equal to, now y1 means minus 5, then plus y2 is 3, then minus 4 divided by 3, which is equal to, here minus 5 minus 4 means minus 9, then plus 3 means minus 6 divided by 3, which is equal to minus 2. And hence now we can write the coordinates of centroid is equal to 6 minus 2. This is the answer. Now third example is also given here. Here also this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, and this is x3 y3 say, and G means the centroid and coordinates x y is equal to question mark. Now here by centroid formula, G means xy is equal to, we know x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3, and hence here x is equal to, now putting the values, now x1 x2 x3 means 4 plus 8 plus 7 divided by 3, which is equal to 19 divided by 3, and y is equal to, y1 means 7 plus y2 means 4 plus y3 means 11 divided by 3, which is equal to 22 upon 3, and hence we can write here, hence the coordinates of centroid is equal to, x coordinate means 19 divided by 3, then 22 upon 3. This is the answer. Then next, 8th example. Now in triangle ABC, G minus 4 minus 7 is the centroid. If A minus 14 minus 19 and B 3 5, then find the coordinates of C. Now here suppose this triangle is like this, A B C, and this is this G is centroid like this. Now here G is also given, centroid is given here, and so suppose or let here A means minus 14 minus 19, which is equal to x1 y1. Then B 3 5, which is equal to x2 y2. Then we did not know C. Take C x3 y3, and Z is given, that is minus 4 minus 7, which is equal to x y. Then by centroid formula, G means xy is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3, and hence we can write here value of x. Now x means this and y means this value, means we can write here x is equal to, I am writing again, x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3, and y is equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. Now here putting the values, now x means minus 4 which is equal to, now x1 means minus 14, then x2 means plus 3 plus x3 is not given, means x3 divided by 3, and now y means here minus 7 is equal to, now y1 is minus 19, then plus y2 is 5 plus 5, then plus y3 is not given, means y3 divided by 3. Now solving, we get 3 into minus 4 means minus 12 is equal to minus 14 plus 3 means minus 11 plus x3, and hence x3 is equal to 11 minus 12, and hence x3 is equal to minus 1. Here, and minus 7 into 3 means minus 21 is equal to minus 19 plus 5 means minus 14 plus y3, and hence y3 is equal to minus 12 आहे, इकडे जर आपण घेतले तर minus 14 जे इकडे घेतले तर plus 14 आणि minus 21, and hence y3 is equal to 14 minus 21 means minus 7. Now here x3 and y3 are the coordinates of point C, and hence we can write the coordinates of vertex C is equal to -1 -7. This is the answer. Then next, ninth example, A h minus 6, B 2 3 and C minus 6k are coordinates of vertices of a triangle whose centroid is G 1 5. Then find H and K. Now here also A h minus 6 which is equal to x1 y1, then B 2 3 is equal to x2 y2, and C means minus 6k is equal to x3 y3, and G 1 5 is equal to x y. xy. Then by centroid formula, G xy is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. This is the formula, and hence x is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3, and y is equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. Now putting the values we get. Now here value of x means here 1, and hence 1 is equal to, now x1 is here h, then plus x2 is 2, then plus x3 is minus 6 divided by 3, and here y means 5 is equal to y1 is here minus 6, then plus y2 is 3, then plus y3, now y3 is here k, plus k divided by 3. Now on solving, here 3 into 1 means 3 is equal to h, plus 2 minus 6 means minus 4, and here 5 3s are 15 is equal to minus 6 plus 3 means minus 3, then plus k. Now here on solving, this h is equal to this 3, then minus either आपल्याला plus करावा लागेल plus 4, and hence h is equal to 3 plus 4 means 7. This is the value of h, and here now k is equal to k इज इक्वल टू -3 इकडे जर घेतलं तर प्लस होईल 15 प्लस 3 and hence k is equal to 15 plus 3 means 18. This is the value of k, and hence we can write here, hence h is equal to 7 and k is equal to 18. This is the answer. Then example 10. Now example 10, find the coordinates of the point of trisection of the line segment AB with A to 7 and B -4 -8. Now here trisection points. Suppose this is the line segment. This point is suppose A point and coordinates are 2, 7, and this point is B and coordinates are -4, -8. Now we have to trisect this line segment. Suppose trisect points are 1 and here 2. Suppose this point is P and this point is Q. Now here this is divided into 1, 2, 3 parts, means this is the trisector. Now point P divides point P. Now this point P, suppose this is M into N ratio. P divides seg AB in a ratio. या ठिकाणी हा P पॉइंट आहे, या ठिकाणी 1 पार्ट आणि इथे 2 पार्ट्स, means in ratio 1:2, means which is equal to M:n, say. And hence by division formula, means section formula, now we have to use the section formula. This P point means suppose xy is equal to, we know mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n and my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n, and hence putting the values we get, hence x is equal to, this is the value of x. Now m, here m is 1 into x2 is 2, then plus n means 2 into x1 is -4 divided by m plus n, m means 1 plus n means 2, and y is equal to, now m means 1 into y2 is 7, then plus n is 2 into, now y1 is -8 upon here 1 plus 2, and hence here x is equal to 2 1 are 2, then minus 4 2 are 8 upon 1 plus 2 means 3, and here y is equal to 7 1 are 7, then minus 8 2 are 16 divided by 3, which is equal to 2 minus 8 means minus 6 divided by 3, and hence x is equal to minus 2. Now here 7 minus 16 means minus 9 divided by 3, and hence y is equal to minus 3. अशा प्रकारे आपण या ठिकाणी व्हॅल्यू काढू शकलो एक्स वायच्या, अँड हेन्स एक्स कॉमा वाय is equal to minus 2 minus 3. Now this is the one point means P. Similarly, point Q also divides segment AB in ratio. या ठिकाणी Q पॉईंट जो आहे हा Q पॉईंट हा डिवाइड करतो. इकडे 1 पार्ट आहे आणि या साईडला 2 पार्ट्स आहे, म्हणजे 2:1 रेशोमध्ये. सेगमेंट AB इन रेशो 2:1. 2:1 मध्ये तो डिवाइड करतो आणि तो पॉईंट जो आहे Q पॉईंट, या ठिकाणी हा जो रेशो आहे हा रेशो आपण MN नी दर्शवू. ठीक आहे. अँड हेन्स बाय सेक्शन फार्म्युला या ठिकाणी सेक्शन फार्म्युला यूज करायचा आहे. Q means suppose here also xy is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Now here putting the values we get, and hence x is equal to, now m is 2 into x2 means here 2, then plus n is 1 into x1 is minus 4 upon m plus n. M is 2 plus n means 1, and y is equal to m means 2 into y2. Now y2 is here 7, then plus n means 1 into y1 is minus 8 upon m means 2 plus n means 1. Now on solving we get which is equal to, means x is equal to 2 2s are 4, then minus 4 1s are 4 upon 2 plus 1 means 3, and y is equal to 7 2s are 14, then minus 8 1s are 8 divided by 2 plus 1 means 3, which is equal to 14 minus 8 means 6 divided by 3, and hence y is equal to 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6 means y is equal to 2. Here x is equal to, now 4 minus 4 means 0 divided by 3 means x is equal to 0, and y is equal to now 2, and hence here also x comma y is equal to 0, 2. This is the second point, and hence now we can write the final answer. The coordinates of the points of trisection are -2, -3 and 0, 2. This is the answer. Then next example means 11th example. If a minus 14 minus 10 b 6 minus 2 is given, find the coordinates of points which divided segment AB into 4 equal parts. Now 4 equal parts. So I am drawing here a line segment. Suppose this is a line segment. Suppose this point is A, means minus 14 minus 10, and last point B, and coordinates are 6 minus 2. This is the line segment. Now we have to divide this segment AB into 4 equal parts. Suppose this is 1, 2 and 3 points means 4 parts. Suppose this is P, this is Q and this is R. Now these are the equal points, 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. Now this is, suppose x1, y1, this is x2, y2, like this, and suppose this P is AB, this is CD, this is EF. Now where to use the section formula? Now here first is P, means point P, point P means this divides seg AB into, this divide into ratio is, this portion is 1 and here 1, 2, 3, in ratio 1:3, means 4 parts, and hence Suppose this is a m is to n's, say. Now by section formula, आताच आपण या ठिकाणी सेक्शन फॉर्म्युला बघितला. ते सेक्शन फॉर्म्युलानुसार आपल्याला एक्स वायच्या व्हॅल्यूज आपल्याला फाइंड करायचे आहे. बाय सेक्शन फॉर्म्युला एक्स इज इक्वल टू mx2 प्लस nx1 upon m plus n, and y is equal to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. This is the formula. Now putting values. Now here x means a, and hence a is equal to, now m is here 1 into x2 means 6, then plus n is 3 into x1 is here minus 14 upon m plus n. M means 1 plus n means 3, and here y means b is equal to m is 1 into y2 is minus 2, then plus n means 3 into y1 is minus 10 upon m plus n. Now here m is 1 plus n means 3. Now on solving we get which is equal to, means a is equal to 6 1 are 6, then minus 14 3 are 42 divided by 1 plus 3 means 4, which is equal to, now we have to solve this, minus 36 minus 36 divided by 4, which is equal to 4 9 are 36 means minus 9, and here b is equal to, now here minus 2, then minus 10 3 are 30 divided by 3 plus 1 means 4, which is equal to minus 32 divided by 4 means which is equal to minus 8. This is the b, and hence here the coordinates of P means AB is equal to, now A means minus 9 and y coordinate minus 8. Similarly, again we have to find out the P point. This is one. Now this is second. Point Q divides segment AB into रेशो. आता हा जो Q पॉइंट आहे आपल्याला फाइंड करायचा आहे का Q पॉइंट जो आहे तो Q पॉइंट या ठिकाणी इकडे 1 2 आणि इकडे पण 1 2 हा मिड पॉइंट आहे. मिड पॉइंट असल्यामुळे तो 1:1 या रेशोमध्ये म्हणजे हा मिड पॉइंट आहे. डिवाइड्स इट इनटू रेशो 1:1 means Q is midpoint, and hence we can use by midpoint फॉर्म्युला सेक्शन फॉर्म्युलाही आपल्याला यूज करता येईल. या ठिकाणी मिडपॉईंट असल्यामुळे हा आपण यूज करणार आहोत. बाय मिडपॉईंट फॉर्म्युला या ठिकाणी क्यूचे जे पॉईंट्स आहे, Q इज इक्वल टू Q मीन्स CD which is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. This is the formula, and hence Q means CD is equal to, now x1 is, now here x1 is minus 14 plus x2 is 6 divided by 2, comma y1 is minus 10, then plus y2 means minus 2 upon 2, like this, which is equal to minus 14 plus 6 means minus 8 upon 2, comma here minus 10 minus 2 means minus 12 divided by 2, which is equal to minus 4 minus 6, and hence QCD is equal to minus 4 minus 6. This is the answer. Again, now point R, this also divides seg AB into रेशो. आता R पॉईंट जो आहे लेफ्ट हँड साईडला 1 to 3 पार्ट्स आहे, इक्वल पार्ट्स, आणि नंतर 1 पार्ट आहे, मीन्स 3:1, and hence by section formula सेक्शन फॉर्म्युला आपल्याला यूज करायचा आहे. सेक्शन फॉर्म्युला आपल्याला माहितीच आहे, आणि या ठिकाणी आरचे जे कोऑर्डिनेट्स मी EF घेतले आहे, आणि म्हणून E इज इक्वल टू mx2 प्लस nx1 अपॉन m प्लस n, अँड y कोऑर्डिनेट F घेतला आहे मी, F इज इक्वल टू my2 प्लस ny1 upon m plus n. Now putting the values we get, and hence here E is equal to m means here 3 into x2 is 6, then plus n is 1 into x1 is minus 14 upon m means 3 plus n means 1, and F is equal to here m means 3 into y2 is 6, then plus n is 1 into y1, this is minus 2. Hence here F is equal to m means 3 into y2 is minus 2, then plus n is 1 into y1 is minus 10 upon m plus n. M means 3 plus n means 1. Now solving we get, and hence E is equal to 3 6 are 18 minus 14 1 are 14 upon 3 plus 1 means 4. And here f is equal to 3 into minus 2 means minus 6, then minus 10 1s are 10 divided by 3 plus 1 means 4. Now here which is equal to 18 minus 14 means 4 divided by 4, 4 get cancelled, and hence E is equal to only 1. And here minus 6 minus 10 means minus 16 divided by 4 means which is equal to minus 4, and hence here f is equal to minus, this is minus 4, and hence we can write here point R, and coordinates we have taken EF is equal to, now E means 1 and y coordinates means minus 4. This is the answer. Now here now we can write find the coordinates of points, and hence the coordinates of points. Now we can write the final answer, and hence the coordinates, the coordinates of points which divide segment AB into 4 equal parts R is equal to, जे फर्स्ट आपण घेतले होते ते -9 -8, then second is -4, second means Q, -4 -6, and third point R means here 1 -4, like this. Then next example is the 12th example. If A, थोडं मी फास्ट घेतो आहो व्हिडिओची लेंथ जास्त होऊ नये म्हणून. If A 20 10 B 0 20 are given, find coordinates of the point which divide segment AB into 5 congruent parts. मग या ठिकाणी अशा प्रकारचं लाईन सेगमेंट मी या ठिकाणी ड्रा केलेला आहे, आणि ए पॉईंट इथे घेतला, बी पॉईंट इथे घेतला, पी क्यू आर एस मीन्स 1 2 3 4 5 इक्वल पार्ट्स. पीचे कोऑर्डिनेट्स या ठिकाणी मी घेतले आहे ए बी, क्यूचे सी डी, आरचे ई एफ आणि एसचे जी एच. नाउ हियर segment AP is congruent to PQ, is congruent to QR, is congruent to RS congruent to SB. Now this P divides this segment AB into, in the ratio, this is one portion, and here 1, 2, 3, 4 means 1:4, and hence the ratio 1:4, that is n:n is equal to 1:4. Now by the section formula, coordinates of this point P, AB means here A is equal to, we know the formula, mx2 plus n x1 upon m plus n, and this B means y coordinate, B is equal to my2 plus n y1 upon m plus n. Now putting the values, we get value of A means which is equal to, here A is 16, and value of B on solving we get 12, and hence the coordinates of P means AB is equal to 16, 12. You can easily solve this. Similarly, take point P, Q. Now Q divides 1, 2, and here 1, 2, 3 parts, means 2:3 ratio. Now point Q divides segment AB in ratio 2:3, and hence by section formula we can find the coordinates of Q means CD. C is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, and D is equal to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Putting the values, we get x coordinate means C is equal to 12, and y coordinate means D is equal to 14, and hence coordinate of point Q is equal to 12, 14. त्यानंतर आपण नेक्स्ट जो आहे तो पॉईंट घेणार आहोत, म्हणजे या ठिकाणी आर पॉईंट, ज्याचे कोऑर्डिनेट्स आपण या ठिकाणी EF घेतले होते. आता आर जो आहे 1, 2, 3 पार्ट्स इकडे आहे, आणि 1, 2 पार्ट्स म्हणजे 3:2 मध्ये सेगमेंट AB ला डिवाइड करतो, आणि म्हणून सेक्शन फॉर्म्युला जो आहे E is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, and F is equal to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n, and putting values, मग या ठिकाणी व्हॅल्यूज जर आपण पुट जर केल्या तर आपल्याला आन्सर या ठिकाणी मिळू शकते. E is equal to 8 and F is equal to 16, and hence coordinates of point R is equal to 8, 16. त्याच्यानंतर पुन्हा या ठिकाणी हा पॉईंट राहिला आहे आपला S पॉईंट, ज्याचे कोऑर्डिनेट्स या ठिकाणी मी सोयीसाठी घेतलेले आहे GH. या ठिकाणी 1, 2, 3, 4 पार्ट्स इकडे आहे, आणि इकडे 1 पार्ट्स आहे, मीन्स पॉईंट S डिवाइड्स सेगमेंट AB इंटू 4:1 रेशो, and hence by section formula G is equal to m into x2 plus n into x1 upon m plus n, and H is equal to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. या ठिकाणी अगोदर जसं सॉल्व केलं त्याच पद्धतीनं आपल्याला हा जो S आहे त्याचे कोऑर्डिनेट्स आपल्याला फाइंड करता येते. ऑन पुटिंग द व्हॅल्यूज वी गेट G is equal to 4 and H is equal to 18, and hence coordinates of point S is equal to 4, 18. या ठिकाणी इक्वल जे आपण पार्ट्स केलेले आहे त्या सर्व पॉईंट्सचे कोऑर्डिनेट्स आपल्याला इथे लिहून घ्यायचे आहे, and hence coordinates of the points which divide segment AB into 5 congruent parts are 16, 12, 12, 14, 8, 16 and 4, 18. Thank you from Sanjay A. Thakre.